All right, everyone's saying that the stovepipe is installed upside down because of carbon monoxide and it, doesn't make a sealed tube going up for the smoke and everything. But that only works in like HVAC, guys, okay? When you're only dealing with carbon monoxide fumes. In this case, I'm dealing with creosote and I'm dealing with potential rainwater coming in. And in that case, you want the pipe to be sealed so when everything goes down it, it doesn't go on the outside, which is the current problem that I have now, which is what you can see here. We'll take a trip up to the attic here in a second, but see, this has the crimp side going up because it's going into a double wall insulated pipe that's larger than it. So it needs to go up with a crimped end here, and then I had to jerry rig this for now with a crimped end going down the way that it should be because this side wasn't crimped because obviously I had to put it up there and it wasn't double-ended. So all that creosote drips down because it doesn't go on the inside of the pipe where it should if this were flipped over. So when this is all the same piping, I'll be able to fix that a little bit better. All right, we made it up to the attic. Let's check out the pipe up here and give this a good inspection, shall we? Well, right off the bat, you can see that it's double wall insulated stainless. So that should make a lot of you guys happy. There is an issue down here where it goes right into the house down there. It looks like all that insulation is right up against the pipe. So I'm going to have to figure out some sort of difference for that when I redo all of this, because most likely I will be redoing this as well, even though it is double insulated and all that good jazz. It can't hurt to have a few new pieces of pipe here, a couple $100 to save me. And then up there where it goes through the roof, that looks pretty damn good. That is a fire retarded material. And it might need some sealing maybe from the outside, but it looks pretty damn good. There's just some drips running down there. Obviously, you see that. So obviously I've got a sealing issue somewhere out there, but I can fix that. No problem. So overall, it's really not that bad. I mean, it's going to last for the rest of this season, which is all I needed to do. It's already been operating like this a long time ago. For many years, it operated just fine. There were no issues. It was an old pipe that wasn't used for about 10 years. My mom burned some crap wood, and that creosote made an acid and melted away that pipe. And that's just what happens, my friends. I'm glad I found it in time. And thank you all for your very informed opinions about both me and my chimney system. But I'm going to fix this shit the best I can as soon as I can. Trust me, I don't like it either. And I'm going to do my best to get it fixed. All right. Thank you very much, my friends.